Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming which unlock methods are configured on your Vivo phone. Try fingerprint, face recognition, PIN, or pattern carefully and deliberately. Count your attempts and stop after 10 failed tries to avoid temporary lockouts. Locate the Google account email linked to the device and confirm you remember the password now. Check whether the phone is charged at least 20% and connected to Wi-Fi. If the built-in methods fail, prepare to use remote erase or recovery mode next. Open a browser or another phone and sign in to find My Device with your Google account. Select the Vivo phone from the device list shown on the screen. Choose Erase Device to remotely wipe all data if the phone is online and reachable. Understand that remote erase permanently deletes personal files and apps from the phone. Ensure the target device has internet access and at least 20% battery before starting. After erase, you may need the original Google account to reactivate the phone. Power off the Vivo phone completely before beginning the recovery process. Press and hold volume up and power together for about 10 seconds until the recovery menu appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe data factory reset and press power to confirm your selection. Confirm the action when prompted and wait for the reset process to finish. Reboot the phone after the process completes and follow the setup steps shown on screen. Be aware that factory reset deletes all data and may require the original Google.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.